gorgeous people. This is Ambizzares DIY and other stuff. My name is Meeks. Today's subscription box Saturday, and on this video, I have for you my mini mystery box of awesome. Okay, guys, I do this every single time. We know it's never been awesome, but I, for some reason, cannot cancel this subscription. I just have to keep getting it just to see what kind of weird stuff they decide to send. Without further ado, let's see what I got this month. Okay, guys, so here's my bag. Here's their little logo and all of that fun stuff on the front there. I did cut it open, but I haven't looked inside yet. I want to look inside. Like, I kind of peeked on top. I still don't know what's going on. So let's see what's inside this little bag. Okay, I'm grabbing the first thing here. Frost Fighters. So they're Frost Fighters gloves. Okay, that's not bad. I mean, we need this kind of stuff, so I'm not mad at this product, but I'm not excited about it either. Just saying. All right, so there's that one. But, I mean, who can't use that kind of stuff? Seriously, it's a good thing to put in there. Okay, so, like, every single month they have their little crossword puzzle. This is my favorite part. Unscramble the words. Valentine's Day. It says, today I'm making Valentine's Day for cards for all of my blah blah blah. So you just kind of fill in the blanks. It's a fun thing to do with kids. I do like that they put this in there. Okay, so the next thing, magnetic car vent phone holder. I just got this in one of my other subscription boxes. So, I mean, it's cool. It's fine. But I do currently have one that I'm using, so I really don't need another one. So, I don't know. I might put this in brand mail. We'll have to see. I don't see myself using that. Okay. So, the last thing that's in here, you only get 3 things, guys. Great. Nano LED survival flashlight, I'm guessing. It can clip onto anything. 2-hour runtime. It has 4 LR41 batteries. What the heck battery size is that? Look how itty bitty it is. It's super small. I mean, I'm not mad at this. I will definitely use it. Not mad at it at all, but, not excited about it either. I mean, who doesn't need a survival flashlight, right? I do make sure that I have a flashlight in my car at all times. I have an emergency kit as well, so I have all kinds of stuff in there, but, I mean, that's cool. You never know. You might need that. So, okay, I got the gloves, I got the car holder, and I got the flashlight. That's what I got this month, guys. Not very exciting, not really awesome, but okay this month. So, I don't know. This one is $9.99 a month for anybody who's interested in this particular bag. I will link everything in the description box below. That's all I got for you in this one, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! I'm afraid to throw it. I want to throw it, but I'm afraid to throw it. Okay, let's just try one more time. Okay, guys, so, woo! That worked good. Nice little throw. Let's try one more time. Okay, guys, so, here's my, that's my address. Okay, one more time. I'll blur all that out. Okay, here we go.